I hit the outer shell. I think I can break it if I focus my attacks. Come on. There! No way! Here you go! Let's go! Shell reach confirmed. Put the pressure on. That ended rather quick. Man, this hospital. I'm more afraid of ghosts showing up than others.
Do you believe in ghosts? Have you ever seen one?
No, I haven't. But if they do exist, they'd be here.
Oh, if I see a ghost, I'll let you know. We can't go further. Do we look for a different route? That or break our way through here?
I don't think we need to resort to that. We should be able to get by using my power. We did it! Alright! Looks like the enemy dropped something rare. This is pretty rare. My power may be helpful. It sprayed something like oil. Don't get it on you. That attack worked. That must be a weak spot. All right. That was brilliant. We'll be able to move forward if we use my power, Yuito.
That startled me.
Use my power when you need some defense.
Let's regroup. Thank you for your help. According to the records, the big attack on Locusho was 11 years ago. That was when the old OSF hospital was abandoned and the new facility moved to sewer. Yes, along with all of the patients and equipment, if we trust the government announcement.
Let's keep this up.
Damage to outer shell confirmed. Keep going and bring it.
I must train more. Not over yet! No chance! Let's do that.
Okay, battle's over.
I need your help!
We'll be able to move forward if we use my power, Yuito.
What? Nagi is gone.
What's up, Tsugumi?
I'm sorry. It looked like Nagi was here.
Let's keep looking.
Oh, it's just a vision.
Some help, Luca! Another one! Right in the middle! Let's go! We need to focus.
Maybe I've grown.
I need your help.
You might be better at using teleportation than I am.
If so, it's thanks
Leave it to me. Come on!
to you, Luca.
What? Here I go!
This doesn't make sense. Why would there be others inside?
The biggest reason others are here is for food. They want our brains.
It doesn't look like there are many humans for them to feast on.
Have you heard anything about this place from your uncle?
No, not really. And I only really see him at New Year's, so... There he is! Nagi!
Nagi! Nagi, wait! You're safe!
Yuito.
We were worried about you. Your name was on the missing persons list. Plus, I wanted to ask you about what happened.
I'm... sorry.
Nagi, what made you do that to us?
How should I know?
Huh?
It feels like my brain just suddenly froze. And my head is all messed up. It won't stop spinning.
How could that be?
Leave! You can't stay here!
What? What's gotten into...
If you stay here, you'll be rehabilitated just like me! So that's what's going on.
The rumors were true.
Rehabilitation? Nagi? What's that? An alarm? More others!
They must have been watching us. I'll take care of this. Get out of here!
No, I'll fight too!
I said no! There's no telling when I might snap and try to kill you guys again. Just like with Captain Seto. I can't let that happen. I'm begging you, get out of here!
Then at least come with us.
I can't. I just told you I could snap and turn on you any second. I'll find my own way out. You guys, go on ahead. They're gonna rehabilitate you if they catch you. Or worse, they'll skip that and turn you into an other.
What are you talking about? But that's...
Yuito, I'm sorry.
Luca, why?
You were panicking. It was best to do what Nagi said and leave the hospital immediately.
But don't you care that they might be turning people into others?
We can talk later. We need to regroup. This is the only place I could secure as a safe teleporting zone. We have no choice but to go on foot from here. They must already realize that we know too much. It would be best for us to run. I know this isn't what you want, Yuito. Normally, we would be following your orders since you're the leader. But this place is far more dangerous than we imagined. Please allow me to do what I can to prioritize our escape.
Okay.
Everyone, let's keep an eye out for others while we move.
It's too dangerous to go back. It may be cruel, but we should prioritize our escape. Go, Yuito! We'll be able to move forward if we use my power, Yuito. Do you need help? Go, Yuito!
Yuito.
That attack worked. That must be a weak spot.
Yeah!
Whoa! Nice!
I hit the outer shell. I think I can break it if I focus my attacks.
Whoa! Hit it!
Watch out for electric. You won't be able to move if you're electrified.
Hanabi, let's go! Here we go!
The shell is broken. Give it everything you have.